Qualitative versus quantitative versus mixed methods in educational management. In the field of educational management (MEM), research plays a crucial role in shaping policy decisions, improving practices, and understanding the complexities of educational systems. Different research methodologies, qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods, offer distinct advantages and limitations when used to explore various educational management issues. Each methodology has its own approach to data collection, analysis, and interpretation, making it important for MEM professionals to understand when and how to apply each. This essay compares qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods research in MEM, highlighting their characteristics, strengths, weaknesses, and how they contribute to the development of educational practices. Qualitative research in MEM. Qualitative research focuses on understanding phenomena in a deep, detailed manner, typically through non-numerical data such as interviews, observations, focus groups, and case studies. In MEM, qualitative research is often used to explore complex issues related to leadership, school culture, teacher-student relationships, or stakeholder engagement. The goal is to gain a rich, nuanced understanding of how people experience and interpret educational settings and policies. One of the key strengths of qualitative research is its ability to provide in-depth insights into the lived experiences of individuals. For example, a qualitative study in MEM might explore how principals perceive their roles in fostering inclusive educational environments or how teachers experience the impact of professional development programs. Through open-ended interviews or ethnographic studies, qualitative research can capture a broad range of perspectives, providing a holistic view of educational practices. However, qualitative research also has its limitations. It tends to be more subjective and may lack generalizability due to its focus on small sample sizes and context-specific data. The findings are often interpretive and dependent on the researcher's perspective, which can introduce bias. Despite these limitations, qualitative research is particularly useful for exploring new or under-researched areas in educational management and generating theories that can be further tested using quantitative methods. Quantitative research in MEM. Quantitative research, in contrast, involves the collection and analysis of numerical data. It is used to test hypotheses, measure variables, and identify patterns or relationships that can be generalized to a larger population. In MEM, quantitative methods are frequently employed in areas such as student performance, teacher effectiveness, resource allocation, or policy impact evaluation. Surveys, standardized tests, statistical analysis, and experimental designs are commonly used in quantitative research. The strength of quantitative research lies in its ability to produce statistically reliable results that can be generalized across broader contexts. For instance, a MEM study might use surveys to measure the effectiveness of a new teaching strategy across multiple schools or analyze student performance data to evaluate the impact of funding on academic outcomes. The use of large sample sizes and rigorous statistical methods makes quantitative research highly objective, reducing researcher bias and enabling more robust conclusions. However, quantitative research also has its drawbacks. It tends to focus on measurable outcomes and may overlook the deeper, contextual factors that contribute to educational challenges. For example, a survey measuring teacher satisfaction may provide numerical data on levels of contentment but may not capture the reasons behind low morale or the specific conditions contributing to dissatisfaction. Additionally, quantitative studies can sometimes fail to capture the complexity and richness of human experience, which is particularly important in the context of educational leadership and policy development. Mixed methods research in MEM. Mixed methods research combines both qualitative and quantitative approaches in a single study, allowing researchers to take advantage of the strengths of both methodologies. This approach is increasingly popular in MEM, as it provides a more comprehensive understanding of educational phenomena by integrating numerical data with personal experiences and contextual insights. In a mixed methods study, researchers collect both qualitative and quantitative data and analyze them either separately or through an integrated framework. The main advantage of mixed methods research is its ability to triangulate findings, offering a more complete picture of the research problem. For example, in evaluating a new school management system, a mixed methods approach could involve surveying teachers and administrators, quantitative, to assess their satisfaction with the system, while also conducting interviews, qualitative, to explore their experiences and perceptions in more depth. By combining the strengths of both approaches, mixed methods research allows for a more nuanced and well-rounded understanding of the issue at hand. Moreover, mixed methods research can enhance the validity of the study. When qualitative and quantitative findings converge, they provide stronger evidence for conclusions. For example, if quantitative data show that a particular leadership approach improves student outcomes and qualitative data reveal that teachers feel more supported under this leadership style, the findings are more robust and compelling. However, mixed methods research also presents challenges. It requires expertise in both qualitative and quantitative methods, as well as the ability to effectively integrate and interpret different types of data. The process can be time-consuming and complex, and the interpretation of mixed data can sometimes be challenging due to the differences in the nature of qualitative and quantitative information. Conclusion. In the field of educational management, qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods research each provide unique contributions to understanding and improving educational practices. Qualitative research excels in exploring in-depth experiences and meanings, while quantitative research offers objective, generalizable data on educational outcomes and trends. Mixed methods research, by combining the strengths of both approaches, offers a comprehensive way to address complex educational issues. The choice of methodology in MEM depends largely on the research questions, the nature of the problem being studied, and the desired outcomes. Qualitative methods are ideal for exploring new concepts or deeply understanding the experiences of stakeholders, while quantitative methods are best suited for testing hypotheses or measuring specific variables across large populations. Mixed methods, on the other hand, are well suited for studies that aim to provide a well-rounded view of a research problem. Ultimately, the integration of these research methods in MEM contributes to the development of evidence-based strategies and policies that can lead to more effective educational management and improved learning outcomes. Understanding when and how to use each methodology can help educational leaders and researchers make informed decisions, fostering a more dynamic and responsive educational system.